So what happens if you're given all of the points and you need to find an equation? Let's talk about it. Okay, so I have an example here. A cubic polynomial, p of x, has a double root at -2 and p of 5 equals 0, and the y-intercept is 4. Find an equation for p of x. So I'm just going to start from the beginning and start writing down what I know. So the first clue is I have a cubic polynomial. So if I have a cubic polynomial, that means the degree has to be 3. Okay, great. I know one thing already. And then I have a double root at -2. So that means one of my roots is -2, and because this is a double root, that means it appears twice. I'm going to have a multiplicity of 2. Okay, next piece of information, I have p of 5 equals 0, so that gives me the point 5, 0. Now because the y-coordinate of this is a 0, I know that this is a root. So I'm given another one of my roots. And now I can figure out what the multiplicity of this is, because it must be 1, because the multiplicities have to add up to the degree. So since my degree is 3 and I already know one of my multiplicities is 2, this multiplicity has to be 1. Okay. So I have my roots, I have my multiplicity. Only thing I'm missing is my leading coefficient. But let's start writing it out anyway. Oh wait. Sorry, I missed one of our pieces of information. The y-intercept is at 0, 4. Okay. But let's start writing out our equation. So we're going to have p of x is x plus 2, x minus 5, I'm writing out my roots, then I'm going to add my exponents depending on the multiplicity. Because -2 has a multiplicity of 2, I'm adding an exponent of a 2 there. Because 5 has a multiplicity of 1, I'm not adding an exponent there. And then I'm going to leave this a as a holder for what my leading coefficient is. And I'm going to have to now figure out what my a is equal to. And I can do that by using this final piece of information. So I'm going to plug that 0, 4 right into this equation. 4 equals a. So I got a equals -1/5, and then I can just plug that a in, and I will be done. It's as easy as that.